finally here sa airport. What time is the board? 10 o'clock tayo mag-board. 10:55 ang alis natin. Probably between 11 to 14 hours straight flight dahil PAL tayo. So yes, the long wait is over. Ayun na tayo, daming tao. It's gonna be a full flight, I'm assuming, sa dami ng tao. Pero the only thing na naging concern namin dito is parang 3 beses kaming nagpalit ng seat, which is hindi ko alam kung bakit. But the first reason was
Aircraft change.
we were initially gonna be flying using the biggest plane, which is newer. Pero all of a sudden, di-downgrade. Nandun na kami ngayon sa mas maliit. But we were hoping sana na yung papunta Pilipinas would be much more comfortable dahil mas malaking plane at magbago siya. Hopefully, no, maayos pa rin yung maging experience natin. And sabi ko nga, it's a full flight, as you can see. So a few more minutes before we board.
Call your friends and make a plan. Let's have ourselves a day. No promises or consequence. We have no time to waste. We go from London to Paris, city to state. Drive 100 miles an hour, staying out too late. Living life as a nomad, take it day by day.
Officially landed.
I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them burn away.
We're home.
When all the sky is gray, I'm still
Hello! Hello, ma! Hello po. Hi, ate. Thank you so much. That's the food.
Don't complicate or hesitate. Enjoy the sunny day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday donut.
Kasi wala nga.
Come on. Oh, likod tayo, likod. Dito kay Kali yung ano lang dapat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Day 1 in Manila. Yeah!
Hello! Andito tayo sa BF.
So, ano oras na lunchtime. Dumating kami ng morning.
What time did we arrive?
Mga 5:30 plus.
5:30.
Nakalis tayo ng 7? 6:30?
7, oo. Yun pala guys, make sure nyo pag magbabiyahe kayo, pag masyado kayong maaga, for sure yung bagahe nyo nandun sa pinakadulo sa loob. So huli siyang lalabas. Kaya next time, learning na to sa amin, dapat medyo magpalit ka ng konti, wag masyadong maaga. Kasi nga, huli kang lalabas, yun ang kinalabasan.
Sa mga familiar sa BF Homes Parañaque.
Yan.
This, at yung mga hindi matagal nang hindi nakakarating.
Yun.
Ito
Ano ba
na
to?
ang itsura. This is Aguirre Avenue intersection ng Tirona. Yan.
To your left, it's going to El Grande Avenue, and to your right, President's Avenue.
Yes. Ito ang traffic situation
Yan.
on a Sunday. Not so bad. Hello sa mga taga-South. South is the place to be.
Yes, sir.
It's chill. So, yan na. Ito na yung Aguirre pagkaliwa mo from Tirona. Yan yung mga village. At yan pa rin yung hindi na siya school. Wow. Okay.
And to your right, madadaanan mo ang yung bilihan namin ng lechong manok.
Diyan pa rin yung Serenity. Oh my gosh, Cal Serenity.
It's by your Dino Milo. Dino
High
Milo.
precision. Grabe. Uy, may Korean. Actually, sa BF maraming samgyup.
Yeah.
Kung mahilig kayo sa mga samgyup.
Ayan na, ang baliwag lechong manok.
Yes, baliwag is there.
Yes. Soon, we'll buy
Tapos
something
ito
also.
ang gym, Anytime Fitness.
Wala na yung mga pinupuntahan mo ditong mga pa-parlor.
Ayun yung Kumba, meron pa rin. Ayan yung Cosmo. Aling Lucy's Pansiteria.
Bago yan
Nay, matagal na to.
Oh?
Yan. Daming mga parlor pa
Ito
rin dito.
Concordia's Cafe.
Medyo matagal na yan. Kinda new, pero nandiyan na yan ang huling biyahe natin.
Pero on a Sunday, hindi siya ganun ka-traffic, which is good. Dami na ginagawa dito.
Tapos nang pagdating namin sa airport, sira yung AC.
Yeah.
Under preventive maintenance daw. So, extra init siya.
So again, nandito tayo sa President's Avenue. Andito tayo sa Bebang's Halo-Halo. Ay, kita nyo ba? Yan, Bebang's Halo-Halo. So, umorder lang kami for takeout. Mamaya, titikman natin yung mga in-order na flavor natin. Yan po ang kanilang menu.
Do you have any privilege ID po? If I receive wala.
Ito na bali yung kanilang bagong halo-halo crate. Bebang's. Choco brownie flavor.
Mango Classic.
Yun o. Yan, Bebang's. Bebang's. These two we share.
Do we put it here in the back?
No.
Tito JJ, papaya.
I wanna taste this first.
Here, Clark. This is better. It has ice cream.
You don't have this spoon?
You want to try this?
You like this?
Ito na lang, sir.
Ito.
Ha? Here.
Whoa!
Yung sikapap.
That's
Oh, the leche flan is at the bottom.
That's 15 kilos.
No diet.
Ano 15 kilos?
15 kilos heavier.
This is the corn.
Okay ba ang bebang?
So, kayong ice, yung bubo.
Oo. Pero siyang boba
Say,
na
ask,
ano.
can you open
Halo-halo.
one, please?
Boba na halo-halo. Gusto mo yung leche flan?
Magandang gabi. Ito, tinabot na tayo ng gabi dito sa labas. Nakaiglip na kami kanina. 2 hours lang din. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Contis. Hindi tayo mag-dinner.
Good evening, welcome
Hi, good evening. Good evening. Hi, good evening. Yun. Wow. Hello.
Sige sir, kami po muna i-aayos lang ng bacon sandwiches.
Please report, Greg. Thank you. Yun, no? Crispy pork. Yan.
Okay, pwede na tayo magpa-picture.
Kain tayo.
Picture.
How's your food, Har? Good? Andito tayo sa Westgate. Oh, Uniqlo. Laki ng store nila dito. May sariling parking. Katabi niya yung SNR. Pasok tayo sa loob. Oh, hanggang 9 o'clock. Oh, good evening. Oh, may isang oras pa. Hanggang 9 o'clock lang pala sila. Tourism, yan. Looks like it's here. Large. How much is this? Oh, seriously? 1,490 ang isa? Magkano sa atin to? Tama ba yung presyo nakikita ko? 1,490? Oo. Ha?
Oh, hindi. 375 siguro. Ay, 30.
So 30 times 41, 2. O di mas mura pa pala.
May plus tax ka pa dun.
Plus tax. Yung mga kailangan ng cashier. Mas mahal ba yan?
Hindi ko alam.
How much is it?
990.
Ayan. Doon tayo sa
Hindi
mas
ko
mura.
kailangan.
Doon tayo sa mas mura. 990.
Yeah. Extra warm pa, oh.
Okay.
Ano bang size mo? Large?
Medium.
Medium?
Medium siguro. Kasi maluwag yung large eh. Gusto ko
Pangalaki ba yan?
all set. Okay na to pa.
Ha?
Dalawa lang naman kukunin ko eh.
Hindi po kami nag-heat tech siya lang.
Ako lang.
Ay, ikaw lang. Ay,
Bawi.
bumili ka ng pants mo na.
Ay, okay lang po. Hindi na po.
Kuha ka ng pants mo.
Ay,
Oh.
jogger to.
Nasaan na yung ano? Yung, di ba meron kang kinukuha dito? What?
That boy.
Socks?
Those are too big for you though. You need to go to the kids.
Store nila dito medyo maaliwalas. Yan yung mga hinahanap natin. Yung medyo maluwag-luwag.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love the city of mine.